Hello, Assalamualaikum, and welcome back to Cikgu Fazlun's channel. And today we are going to continue our lesson on network in graph theory part 3. A directed graph is a graph in which a direction is assigned to the edge connecting two vertices. Directed graphs are usually used to represent the flow of a certain process. An undirected graph is a simple graph or a graph with loops and multiple edges drawn without any direction being assigned. Let us look at diagram 1. It shows a simple directed graph. For edge AB, we have the initial and terminal vertex, and for edge CB, we also have the initial and terminal vertex. Let us look at diagram 2. It shows a directed graph with a loop and multiple edges. For E5, we have terminal and initial vertex, and for E4, we also have the initial and the terminal vertex. And for the loop E2, Q is the initial and the terminal vertex. Let us look at the simple graph, the undirected graph. We can list all the set of vertices and set of edges. And we also must remember that the order of the vertices written is not important. Both pairs of vertices AB and BA represent the same edge. And we can also calculate the degrees, and the total number of degrees equals to 8. And how about the simple graph? For this directed simple graph, we can have a set of vertices and a set of edges. And remember that the order of the vertices are written according to the direction of the edge. BA and AB represent different edges. And we can also calculate the degrees. D in A means that the number of the edges going into, and D out A means that the number of edges coming out from vertex A. And we can calculate like this. And we can have a sum of the degrees for all the vertices. For undirected graph with loops and multiple edges, we can also calculate the list of vertices and the set of edges, and we can also calculate the degrees. How about directed graph with loops and multiple edges? Look at the directions of the edge, and then we can list the set of vertices and edges and calculate the degrees of all the vertices. Okay, let us look at example 6. Draw a directed graph based on the given information. Now we have 6 vertices, and we are going to connect all the vertices with all the edges according to the one given. And we can see that the vertex U is not connected to any other vertices in the graph, and it is known as an isolated vertex. How about B? Okay, for these questions, we have 4 vertices, and we have a loop at vertex Q, and RS is a multiple H. And we connect all the vertices, and you will have the answer like this. All right, let us look at example 7. The diagram on the right shows one-way path that Izaro can choose for his running practice. Vertex B1 is the starting positions, and vertex B5 is the ending position before he goes home. Determine the shortest distance from V1 to V5. So the answer equals to 1,100 meters, and the longest distance from V1 to V5 equals to 2,500 meters. The vertices that must be passed through if the distance of one-way run is between 1.4 kilometers and 2.1 kilometers. So for these questions, we have two answers. All right. Okay. See you next time. And please like and share, and also subscribe my channel. Bye. See you then. Take care.